Hello networkers, today we will create an creatives for ads on Instagram stories. So also we create it using Adobe After Effects without any plugins, without any complex effects, without difficult scripts or more. So subscribe to my channel, remain comments and likes. So let's begin to create a composition with the size 720 to 1280. Took a picture for our creatives and place it in the middle of our composition. And so we will write a headline for our creatives. Place it just below the picture. To the next lesson, I will tell you how to write a headline for creatives and give you 250 examples, templates of headlines. We'll also write an offer. Do not forget that your offer should be attractive and should cling your audience. So now we will create a round corner rectangle for our heading. Make a gradient fill from pink to purple and animate it according to roughen edges and wave warp. Yes, you can make a settings for according to your design, according to your taste. Then we place our rectangle under the text, under the headline title. So also we'll animate the appearing of our rectangle for the title, but it will appear in the scale, by the scale. Yes, we usually create animations without any plugins and without difficult effects. So let's go on. So now we create a rectangle for our offer. Yes, make it simple color white. Yes, and place it under our offer. Yes, animate it according to the scale. And now let's add a lot of bands to our video. We will create two purple rectangles, but so that they appear and pass along the height of the whole composition. That is, they will intersect, yes. This will add a little charm to our video and make it more beautiful. So we add a call to action effect without words, without any text, because Facebook don't like much text in the creatives. Create several circles, animating according to scale and transparency. Yes, that is, circle will be larger and will be transparencer. Yes, and we create some copies in the timelines. Also, throughout the video, we'll play around with tones, with hue and saturation of our picture. That is, through the video, colors will be played in blue and purple hue and saturations. So, and our finish task to add amazing music to our composition. And then let's watch our resulting movies motion for creatives on Instagram. So, networkers, in 7 minutes we created an animation for our ads. If you like it, the video, do not forget the likes and comments, and subscribe to my channel. Be always stay with me.